Sheila.
Hi, I'm Deon.
And welcome to our house. So, how we found Starry Homestead was through HomeRenoGuru, and as we were planning for our renovation, we were looking high and low for different ways. And then we were very happy that we found HomeRenoGuru portal. It's very informative. It has a lot of different ID firms on the portal, and they were filled with many photos.
Yep.
So as we were going through the different IDs, we found Starry Homestead. And we also found a lot of other inspirations for our design of the house as well. When we met Starry Homestead, we were comfortable working with them as they were very happy with our ideas for the house. So the entire working relationship for the 3 months was, I would say, a very pleasant one.
The starting point for both of us was quite different. She liked the very eclectic kind of design. I started out liking dark tones, industrial type of house. So when we came together, it's like it's a matter of like bridging the gap and come to a middle ground. So,
and it's funny because when it comes to design, it can be so subjective. And men and women, technically, I think most of the time it's just so world apart. And he likes the very manly, like the bachelor pad kind of design. When he first showed me a photo reference, I was shocked because that was hardly how I imagined my house.
Likewise for me.
Yeah, so likewise for him when I showed him my design, it was actually a lot of Jonathan Adler inspiration. So which was too much for him. He was like, oh my god, I'm gonna come home to a house and I'll be busy all the time. So in the end, when we have come to a common ground, we decided that we want somewhere that is ultimately still very homely and still feels cozy. Somewhere we can be in for all day long. And for
feel comfortable.
Yeah, comfortable, and for the next 10 years or 20 years of our lives. So we decided that the living area is where we'll be hosting our friends and family. And it should be bright and cheerful and fun. Come, let's start with our shoe cabinet. So Tiong Bahru has got a lot of recessed areas under the window, so we decided to fully utilize it by making it into shoe cabinets. Ta-da!
Mostly her shoes.
80%.
Yeah.
And now, I will show you my mirror. This is a must-have. I always have problem with checking my entire outfit before I leave the house, so I know this is something that I must have right before I leave.
Let me show you the structural renovation to the house. So the house originally here has like a solid wall. So we wanted to have a proper airflow to the house, throughout the house, and connecting the living space to the dining room. So we knocked this out and open the windows. The airflow is actually quite windy, so it was perfect.
So while what I really wanted was a walk-in wardrobe, what he really wanted was a
open kitchen.
But we couldn't have an open kitchen because we cook quite often, and we wanted to still be able to have a functional, full, closed-up kitchen when we cook. So this is what we did.
Closed kitchen.
Closed kitchen.
Open kitchen.
Open kitchen.
Yeah.
This is the grey wall that segregates the living area and the bedroom. So come on in. Welcome! So actually, if you take a good look, this is 3 rooms combined into one. It is 2 bedrooms and 1 storeroom.
Yeah. The storeroom sort of like extend into the master bedroom. So the master bedroom is a lot bigger than it was. And
also, you can see here we have a double basin. That was also something that we knew that we wanted to have right from the beginning. Because initially when we were dating, we will always share a basin, and he'll always be standing behind me brushing his teeth and fighting for a little space to look at himself in the mirror. So this was something that we knew we wanted to have, and we are very happy. This is our dream basin. And then now, let me show you the walk-in wardrobe. Ta-da! Now this is my aerial yoga. We installed a door here instead of a typical walk-in wardrobe because we were talking to some friends and they told us that, you know, if you don't have a wall, the aircon would really just run and you will use a lot of energy to cool the room. So then, this is the functional part of it.
Yeah, and we had this glass panel here, so that we still have like the space extending from the master bedroom into the wardrobe. Vincent was very engaged in the whole design process, and we had different ideas. So Vincent came in as sort of like the mediator. And give us like professional advice, like what would work, what wouldn't. He updated us on timelines.
And actually, I was very impressed with the fact that he was here almost all the time. Because we are both very busy during that period. We were also planning for our wedding. So that period, he was always here taking pictures for us to reassure that, you know, this is being done or this is according to timeline and we are a little bit behind time or ahead of time. So he will always keep us in check. And like in the beginning, we weren't very sure how this is going to work. You know, it's our first time renovating a house, but after like 2 weeks, we were very at ease with and confident of the progress and how we felt working together with him. So it was all really quite good.
I would say quite smooth, The process was smooth. My advice would be, first and foremost, have a general idea, know what you want. Find the problem, like what are the problems to be solved in the house. So that's what we had. Like we had problems and we went to meet ideas for them to propose solutions.
And I think it's also important to be practical about the design. Because sometimes renovating a house, we can get over-ambitious about the designs that we want, which may not last in the long run. So at the end of the day, I think it's still a house. It should still be a very practical and functional thing above everything else. And I think always extra storage. That would never ever not be helpful. So, well, at the end of it, I just wanted to say big thanks to Home Reno Guru for introducing Starry Homestead to us. We love our house.
Yeah.